Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how I crop out the images I use in my post in Photoshop. So mostly I use my pictures or pictures I get from websites to do or to design my post on Instagram and other social media platforms. But this time around, I am using my own picture, and it is a very simple thing to do. You just have to be familiar with the pen tool and know how to move your hand or when to move your hand. But before I start, please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you are new, and also follow me on my social media platforms. I will drop the links in the description. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so you start by creating a new document. I'm going to use 1080 by 1080, and then you click on create. So I'm going to pick pictures from my gallery or from my PC to use them. Like as I said earlier on, I'm going to use my own pictures to do them. So this is the first picture. We have the second picture loading, and then the third picture will also follow. So I'm using 3 pictures for now. So you can also try by using 3 to 4 pictures. So I'll rasterize each layer or each picture so that it will be easy for me to edit. So you click here and then you follow the steps to go to rasterize layer, and then I'll hide the last 2, and then I'll start the work. So this is the first picture that I'm going to work on. For those using MacBook, you click on Z and then you can zoom in, or you can go to the button menu and then you select zoom and then you continue. So this is how it follows. You follow the steps, or you follow the line of the image that you want to crop. Very simple and easy. As I said earlier on, you may have to know how to use the pen too, so that you'll be able to do this. So you follow the curves gently. For you to be able to maneuver on any surface or any image like the way I'm doing, you have to long press or hold the space bar, and then you'll be able to move to any direction on any image. So as you can see, I'm just following the lines of the image. I'm just following the lines of the picture to be able to take out the picture from the background. Alright, so I'm going to follow the lines very simple and gently before I get the final work out of the background. So this is how you can do to any picture, any other picture that you use for your graphic design or for your work. So you follow the line gently. You just have to watch videos about how to use the pen tool, and then you'll be able to do it. Alright, so you get to where the shoe is, and then you just follow the line to do it gently. In case you have any comments or question or suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section, and then I will come and answer them for you guys. So and also make sure that you are getting what you want. You just don't have to crop out and then get other things to the image. Just follow it gently as I'm following my picture here, and you are going to be able to get the correct image out of the background. Alright, so guys, from the look of things, I want to do a video on pen tool, everything about pen tool, or anything you have to know about pen tool, because I normally see people finding it difficult to use the pen tool, which is very not okay for me, because the pen tool does almost everything in Photoshop. You can use the pen tool for a lot of things in Photoshop, in Illustrator, and other graphic design softwares. So it is very good to know how to use the pen tool and how to move your hand and when to move your hand, and the simple buttons or keyboard buttons that can help you in using the pen tool. Alright, so as you can see, I'm getting to the face of the image, so I will have to gently do it well so that I don't miss out anything important, because I am going to use this picture for something else later in the day. So I'm going to follow the steps gently, the face very well, the lines, the curves and everything. Where I'm supposed to bend my hand, I'm going to do that. Where I'm supposed to hold and curve, I'm going to do that. Yes, as you can see, I'm curving this one. So once you are done, you right click and then you go to make selection, and then you click on OK. After click on make selection, this is what is going to come, and then you click on OK, and then so you click delete, and then you have your picture. As you can see, I have my picture nicely over here. Okay guys, so with this one I'm going to start from the head. So as I said, you have to zoom in to get how the shape is, or to get the original size of the shape, so that you'll be able to crop it out nicely and gently. So you follow the lines as I said, and you know how to move your hand, you know how and when to bend your hand or curve anything. Alright, so I'll zoom out, and then I'll go and crop out the rest of the image or the background. So you follow the lines as I said, you zoom in gently, and then you get what you want, and then you can crop it out. All right, so sometimes it is easy cropping out certain images. For example, this picture is having smooth surface or smooth outlines, so it is very easy for me to edit it. But sometimes you get images or pictures with crooked lines, and it's become very difficult for you to crop it out. But this is just the beginning. I'm going to be doing more videos about the pen tool, so I'll use complicated pictures so that you guys will be able to understand and get it and follow up as I go forward. So this is very simple. You just have to bend and then know how to move your hand or know how to twist your hand to get the right object or image you are looking for. Alright, so as I said, once you get close to your final destination, you'll see a small O or a small 0 over there. Alright, you right click and then you go to make selection. But before that, you have to zoom in. You right click, you go to make selection, and then you press delete to delete the background. Alright guys, so we have our final image. As I said earlier on, always zoom to get the right shape and how you want it to be, or how you want to crop out the image. You follow the curves or the lines very well, and then you bend your hand when you are supposed to, and then you make the right curves when you are supposed to. Like the way I am following my picture, the lines and the curves, everything perfectly done, and then you can be able to get the good or the correct shape that you want. So as you can see, I'm bending here to get the right shape for the jaw, and then I'm coming down to the neck and to the shirt or the cloth. Alright, so as I said earlier on, this picture is very easy to edit. The lines are straight, no crooked lines. So I'm just following the lines or the shape or the outline to just get the picture out of the background. So you can also follow with your image, or you can also send me a DM on Instagram @_the_manual@gallery, and I'm going to provide you with pictures for carousels. Zoom in here. With this one, I'll zoom in here, and then I'll right click and then I'll select make selection. Right, so you zoom in and then you click make selection, and then you click OK, and then you hit delete. That is it. Then you go on. Alright guys, so in case you don't have pictures for your carousels, like the way I'm using my own picture for my carousels and my post, you can check out pixels.com, Pinterest, freepik.com, and also search any image you want on Google and you are going to get it. You can also search free websites for free pictures for graphic design, and I'm sure you're going to get a lot of websites out there which you can get nice and quality pictures for your carousels. You get it. So as you can see, I'm following the lines as I said earlier on. This is a very simple image to use, and you can get some online and some from the websites that I mentioned. I'm going to leave the names of this website in the description, and you can click on the link to get them. Very easy and simple. Once everything is done and you have your image, don't forget to zoom in, and then try and go outside the picture, and then you follow it very well to get the small circle, and then you right click. As I said earlier on, you select make selection to get those small round ants running around it, and then you click delete or hit delete to get your image. Alright, so as you can see, I have all my 3 images that is being cropped out nicely, and as I said earlier on, this is very simple and easy to do. You just have to know how to use the pen tool and know how or when to move your hand or to bend your hand. Alright, so this is how I crop out the images I use in my carousels and my post. This is very simple. In case you have any problem, you can hit me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. But before I end, please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you are new. And also follow me on my social media platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. I'm going to drop the links in my description, and you can follow the links to get in touch with me. I'm very active on social media, so I'm going to reply you. In case you have any question, please send it to my DM and I will answer you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.